another thing that we're able to do with pivot tables is make a pivot chart. So, we've sorted our data nicely, we've done the groupings, and now we'd like to be able to not only visualize it in a table form, but we'd like to see it in graphical form, data visualizations. So again, we'll go up to Insert. We have our pivot table here. And then, over here are the charts that we would normally use, but you can see that there's such a thing as a pivot chart. And so we can select this, and it gives us a lot of the same options that we have for regular charts, only, for a pivot table. And so we want to make sure that we're using, the one that makes the most sense for our data. And so again, what we're looking at here is averages broken down by gender within each state. So, a column chart would make good sense to use here. If we wanted them to go the opposite, if we wanted to have horizontal bars, we could have it go this way. I think I like the vertical bars better. And so click OK. And then, here's our pivot chart. And, make these little darn lines go away. And within this, we do have a lot of the same functionality that we would have had with our other data visualizations. And, we can, if we only wanted to see North Carolina, we could only look at North Carolina, or, actually we'd like to see both of them, please, and it will change it back. So it's nice that it's dynamic. And we can also, if we were to change our table, the chart would dynamically change with the table. And you might notice, here's a format button up here. So, if we wanted to, change this bar's color, we could come over here and say, let's see, we'd like this one to be yellow. And so that one's yellow. We can do that. But again, you could play around with it and have it reflect whatever it is that you were attempting to show.